In the world of beauty, teeth whitening methods are becoming more popular by the day. Some people prefer to use toothpaste or gel whiteners while others opt for laser whitening treatments. Some people prefer to use multiple methods to achieve the best results, while others stick to one method and use it consistently. Ultimately, the most effective way to get whiter teeth is by using a method that works for you. Whitening toothpastes are available in a variety of flavors and are a popular way to brighten teeth. The toothpaste is applied to the teeth and left on for a few minutes. Some whitening toothpastes use special light sources to help remove stains, while others involve the use of bleaching agents. Whitening toothpaste can be effective at removing some stains, but they may not be enough to completely erase them. Teeth whitening is a popular cosmetic procedure that can be done in office or at home. In office, bleaching usually requires using a bleaching gel, and the results last about 2 weeks. At home, bleaching products use peroxide to line teeth and typically last about 6 weeks. There are several types of bleaching products available, including systems with trays, strips, and toothpastes. In conclusion, there are a few different ways to get whiter teeth in a week. All of the methods are simple and can be done at home. However, it is important to consult with a dentist before trying any of these methods, as some can be harmful if done incorrectly. By following these tips, anyone can have brighter teeth in just a week. Do you want whiter teeth that will dazzle and impress everyone? If so, I've got the right solution for you. Introducing TeethWhite Teeth Whitening Treatment by Wellaholic. TeethWhite is an industrial-grade teeth whitening treatment which can whiten your teeth by up to 12 shades per session. The primary ingredient in teeth whitening gel is carbamide peroxide. The molecules will convert to hydrogen peroxide and become active when exposed to your teeth, and with strong LED light technology, this whitens your teeth thoroughly, leading to beautiful teeth. There is absolutely no discomfort during the TeethWhite TM treatment. We have an improved teeth whitening process that eliminates the need to create a custom teeth mold. We use a proprietary process to ensure that the whitening agent binds to your teeth to increase the rate of whitening to the teeth, while ensuring both safety and comfort. To get the best whitening effect, we recommend avoiding any staining foods and drinks for up to 5 days after your teeth whitening treatment. This includes coffee, tea, dark soy sauce, red wine, etc. For the best results, visit your dentist to have a full scaling and polishing done. This is to remove plaque, which may decrease the effectiveness of the teeth whitening treatment. Why are Wellaholic's prices so affordable? This is in line with Wellaholic's vision to provide affordable aesthetic treatments that work, with transparent pricing and no hard selling. Wellaholic locates our outlets at convenient locations near MRT stations, but with more affordable rents, so that we can pass our cost savings back to our customers. The result? Happy customers, as seen from over 1,000 positive customer reviews on Google Reviews and TripAdvisor reviews. We provide excellent customer service and focus on creating a relaxed and comfortable environment for our customers. We do not hard sell. Instead, we let our services speak for themselves. At Wellaholic, we are constantly reviewing our brand promise, which is to provide affordable treatments for our customers and help our customers see results with treatments that are backed by science and research. We always work to ensure availability of capacity and slots so that customers can make bookings easily online. We look forward to seeing you at Wellaholic. Check out our website at wellaholic.com. Or to make a free booking, go to Wellaholic Live/book. See you.